Hi.
Hi. We're back on the road again.
We're driving.
We're driving.
We left Nelson, and now we're on the road.
Yep.
To Halcyon Hot Springs is the next destination.
And it's just a little over 2 hours.
2 hours, quick drive. This is probably one of the quickest drives that we're doing.
Right.
And it's just north in the cusp.
Yeah,
we're in hardcore hot springs territory, so there's lots of hot springs. But this one's a nice little fancy one that's off in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, we came upon it like randomly during a hot springs camping trip once. So we always said, hey, we're going to go back.
We're going to go back and we're going to stay there.
And now we are.
So yeah, we got a 2-night minimum, so we're going to go stay in some cabins there and give you a little tour.
Absolutely, we will.
And go splash around in the hot springs.
So excited. So we are back on the highway here. We've got the lake on one side. We've got a whole lot of, here we go. So a whole lot of traffic heading in for, well, I guess it is the weekend.
It's Saturday, but I thought the traffic would be last night. There was hardly any traffic
would think
last
so.
night. It was weird. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we're back on the highway, and we are actually, this whole area, you often see signs for Hot Springs Loop, and Hot Springs and Vineyards Loop, because you can do a full Hot Springs Loop if you want. Oh, we're on a bridge.
Big bridge.
So we're kind of making our own Hot Springs Loop, but...
Little mini Hot Springs Loop, and then to the you can also do a brewery loop now, apparently, because there's like 17 billion breweries.
Bajillion and a half breweries, which, I mean, one down. many to go.
One down and one to go. That we took to go.
Oh. Halcyon! Woo!
Here we are.
Why do you sound creepy?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm excited to go in the hot springs.
Yeah, we think we're early enough that we'll still get into the hot springs tonight.
I know we're early enough.
Oh.
They don't close till 7. It's only 5 o'clock.
Perfect.
Lots of time.
We're gonna check in so speedily.
Speedy.
Halcyon Hot Springs. Da, da, da.
I'm just gonna park right here.
Cool. There are some really pretty scenery here with the flowers and everything. As you can see, it's kind of right by the entrance, right across from the main lobby. Yeah, so just really nice, welcoming.
Hi, Krista. Hey, Krista.
Yeah, I'm a little warm now.
Krista just went back to the cabin to have a quick shower before we head out. And I literally have this place to myself.
Okay, so here we are. We'll show you the outside probably tomorrow because it got dark. And if you can listen, you can actually hear it raining, which is lovely. These are forest fires. But we're starting on our front porch. And this is cabin number 6. So let's go inside cabin number 6. Up is Brandon.
Brandon does not come with cabin number 6.
No, no, you have to bring your own Brandon.
Yeah.
If you want to stay in cabin number 6.
Fine print. Brandon not included.
Donald and Daisy are also not included. Hey guys. There are traveling buddies on this adventure. Brandon, what are you drinking before I go any further?
Backroads Brewing Company, Full Send.
From
Nelson.
Yes.
That we just left.
Mm-hmm.
And it's lemon lime Hefeweizen.
Nice. And what do you think?
Whew.
Poof.
Whew.
Poof.
It's lemon limey
Mm-hmm.
and Hefeweizen.
So aptly named.
No, it's good.
Yeah, good. We said it was very summery.
Mm-hmm. It's going down pretty nicely after hitting those hot springs.
Well, yeah, we checked in and basically ran to the hot springs and stayed there till they kicked us out. So we were a little dehydrated and probably very refreshing after that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got some.
We also drank water, by the way.
Yes, we did drink water first. But yeah, we got some extra time. We thought they were going to be only open till 7,
Mm-hmm.
but they were open till 9.
Yeah, which was which was a pleasant surprise and not what was on their website or on the door.
But the lobby guy said 9, and he was correct.
Mm-hmm.
He would know what he's talking about.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you, lobby guy.
Thank you, lobby guy. Okay, so we just kind of, as you can see, stuff is set places, but that's all right. We've kind of gotten to explore the room a little bit, and we kind of like doing room tours, we think, shortly after checking in, but like when your stuff is in and we've kind of had an opportunity to look around and stuff like that. So you come in and there's a little tiny hanging area there. And which is nice is there's like shelves for suitcases and such. We had a cooler full of snackies. So
it's a road trip. You need snacks.
Exactly. And it looks like everything has newly renovated, we think.
Well, I think these smaller cabins are like brand new.
Mm-hmm. It
Like
kind of
built-
smells almost new.
Built in the last couple of years.
Mm-hmm. So nice little sitting area. And we said there isn't AC in here, but it's quite cool.
Well, you're in the woods, and it wasn't hot today, so
Mm-hmm. The fan is...
they got a big ceiling fan and a big table fan
Mm-hmm.
here, so I think you'd be fine.
Yeah, we have a fair bit of storage for the space. As you can see, lights on either side, which are always nice to have controlled that way.
No plugins though, which is
No,
for a new construction. That's poor.
unless are they behind here?
No, I don't think so.
So nice nightstands. There are plugins on the wall. At least there are several plugins there. Fan control, and then there are plugins along here. I do like this big long shelf area though.
Nice.
And you can see there's a place for suitcases. There's some storage. Before I go any further, windows, and that above the fire extinguisher is for the exterior light, and then for
And then
here.
I think the floors are heated as well. I think that's the heated floor control.
Oh, you're right. All right.
Probably in the bathroom.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
Probably. So big TV. Brandon says that this bed frame is evil.
Yeah, it's a toe stubbing hazard. Let me tell you.
And then this one, oh, you can see our snackies and Brandon's massive sandwich. Your sandwich does not count as a snack, by the way.
Snacky time.
And also there is maybe a growler of past beer right there. But fridge. See, bottles of water too. Nice fridge. No freezer, we noticed. We like this little area. It does come with its own corkscrew, which is good. And glasses for nice fair-sized glasses for coffee and wine and water. And, which we haven't tried yet, but we're definitely going to. Like tomorrow morning, I'm sure. Probably several times. Nespresso!
George Clooney would be so happy.
George Clooney would be so happy. He's like, finally! Alright, so back to Donald and Daisy. Nightstands just like the other one. And now we have this frosted glass / wood into the bathroom. And this is like kind of crazy. So completely done up bathroom. Again, fair size vanity. Storage on both sides. Huge, hi me. Robes are included with the use of the room. Nice fixtures and everything. They have lots of the amenities. Right now, they are not coming and doing changeovers during COVID while the same people are staying. But they have, actually, I'll go, before I go any further and show the rest of the bathroom, I'll show this. Just here, and you just check off what you want and you leave it, and garbage, close to pickup time, outside, and then you kind of get refills that way. But I don't know how you get refills. We're only here for 2 nights, and they left a ridiculous quantity of amenities, but that's okay. There. Very nice. Friend's phone. Another ledge. That was where our robes were hanging. And then this toilet. I don't.
So okay, I gotta come talk about the toilet.
Because it's technology. This is crazy.
Yeah, normally we don't show toilets, but this is something like that's...
It's a crazy tech thing.
We usually have to go to Europe or Asia or something to see these crazy things, but yeah, it's like fully automated. It's got a whole control panel here. So you here, show the toilet. I'm gonna push this button.
Oh.
And yeah, and you can then close it with the button, and then there's a fully functional bidet with heated water and
fans and heated seat and
blow dryer, and the seat's heated, and yeah, it's the fanciest toilet I've ever seen.
Basically, we came in here and pressed buttons for like the first, I don't know, 5 minutes. We're like, what the heck does this do? What the heck does this do? And then the shower is just absolutely lovely. You can see my reflection right now, which is not so lovely. I look a little like a drowned rat that just came out of the hot springs because I just came out of the hot springs. But you could actually fit under here.
Yeah, it's pretty high.
And you have the nice tile in here. Just a walk-in. No, one of the no door. It's a sloped one. Open shower concept. And more hooks. So they did a fairly good job of storage, I find.
Storage good. Bedside plugs, that is a miss.
Yeah, especially for something new. Basically, that's our one critique. That's actually our big critique with like all hotels, but newer ones are generally better.
Yeah,
so
if it's old, well, it is what it is. I understand. If you're building it new these days, you need bedside plugins and USB preferred as well.
Yeah, so miss. At least there are plugins.
There is USB plug-in right there, but that's not a good place for it.
No, that is weird. I guess the idea is it's supposed to be like a little desk area maybe there. Oh yeah, miss. Everything else though, I'm a fan. And tomorrow when it's light out, we'll do a little wander around the outside too. Cool. Let's sit and have a beer.
Room tour.
So thanks for watching this quick little intro to Halcyon. Stay tuned. Later this week, we'll post the second half of Halcyon. And then, of course, in the coming weeks, the rest of our fantastic road trip. Please like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. And see you next time.